Hey, so I went to interactivenarratives.org to pick the website that most interests me. I'm obsessed with animals, so of course I was definitely drawn to the WWF Changes Already Here website. It's beautiful. There is just, really vibrant colors, and you can tell that they really put a lot into their selections. Um, Here's their main page. You can go through the years from 1973, 1975, and farther. There's some really nice charts here that show different species, different climate change, forests. All of the symbols are really accurate to what the chart is discussing about and talking. I think my favorite part about this is just being able to click the images and go in and seeing this up close HD video of animals in slow-mo. I mean, it's beautiful and gives a really nice description about, what's going on. No, I don't speak French, so I cannot understand what it is saying exactly, but the idea and the layout is something that I would like to emulate. There's a lot of information for each subject, but it's not so much that it's overwhelming. It's just enough photo and narrative to kind of, bring you in and get you interested in what they're talking about. I love how the screen slides to the left and right and you can drag it. It doesn't even feel, like you're on a basic website. That's a really cool aspect. And I like that every single one is just completely different. Don't mind my slow Wi-Fi. What is going on? Oh, I love the sea turtle. So so cool. Yeah, this is awesome. I definitely think that this is a style that I could get inspired by for my own project. And I just like the font, the images. I like the stories being told mostly through the photo selects that they have on here. And then once you get into the photo, it becomes a video and you're like kind of taken in, but it's not too much content. So like I said, you can still focus on what information you want. Oh, so cool. And yeah, the charts, I like that they used different colors to, showcase the themes. Overall, this is done really well, and I am excited to get building our interactive websites.